Fix Facebook add friend option missing problem. Today I'll show you how to fix the Facebook add friend button missing problem or when the send request option is not showing. First, why does the add friend button disappear? There are mainly a few reasons. Their privacy settings only allow friends of friends, your account is restricted, you always send a request and it's pending, or Facebook bug or app issue. Here's how you fix it. First, open the person's profile, and if you don't see the add friend button like here, it's possible they set their privacy to friends of friends. So what you can do is try adding a mutual friend first, or you can choose from the friend list and choose one of the friend to simply friend request or ask them to adjust the privacy settings. Now what you can also do is go to the friends tab of yours, simply tap on see all. Now tap on the three dots at the top and click on view sent request. If you've already sent request to them, simply cancel it and send them request again, so that they will be able to see that your request is still on pending. So what you can do is simply check your internet connection. Sometimes weak internet can also make this problem cause. If that is not also the problem, your account might be restricted. Simply go to the notification and check here whether you have gotten any notification or notice that says you have violation or restrictions. And that's it. These methods should help you fix the missing add friend button.